Let's go! I nah draw no stunt fi bus. I nah name no comfy bus. Me I use me talent when me get from Jah. Bless everyone, greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queen, line and lioness. Speak up on yourself. I hope all is well. You know what I mean? Anyone there, not but love and respect, you know. Give thanks to life. Give thanks to their rising. You see me? Yeah, man, I don't know. Another day, you know? There on the battlefield, my viewers and subscribers. So, yeah, man. Give thanks to life. Big up everybody. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click the bell. Yes, so we keep it real, you know. I see through more time. When I do real things, you tend to struggle a lot and take longer for reach. But you rather keep it real. Nah, sell the soul. Nah, bug out. You get to me and say, yeah. So, I'm there. Big up all of my fans. I drink some garlic, turmeric, and onion. Winter is here, so I'm going back for my remedy, you know? Yes. Try it. Stick to the bush. Stick to the bush. And Lord, the whole heap of milk and cheese and them things there. You've been warned. And the meat. You see what I say? Yeah. So my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, man. I don't know. Like and share the content. See? Yeah. A vlog is about Grace Hamilton, Spice. I got a dream last night. See? So she's sick for real. Like one of my angels, my ancestors, them are reason, you know? Yeah, I don't know who me are reason with, but I just say my ancestors, them, the angel. You see me? Yeah. And I say she's, they must say she's sick for true. Well, I don't know if she's sick for true or not, or a stunt or what. But just wake up and think and there. Soon go up and work. See, big up all of the hard working people, you know? Yeah, man. Work for your one. Don't try to deceive nobody. And rob nobody. Same, but each to their own. Do what you have to do to survive. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Some of viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. So, I see dancehall mag right now. Made a post yesterday, you know? I say, I wonder if I really stunt Spice Apple. I have to say, be careful how you call Wolf. You know how the media stay, the social media stay right now. They run with the negativity. And when people want to draw some attention, them pull stunts. And that's why I say, I not draw a stunt for boss. You see me? Let's go! I not draw a stunt for boss. I not name no comfy bus. Me I use me talent when me get from Jah. Big up round Sycamore. Yeah, man. You can go check out that song. I not draw a stunt for boss. See? The video there on YouTube also. Yeah, man. Shot and directed by White Shadow. See? When you link up White Shadow to, you know, if you don't want any visuals, you know, videography, and photo artwork, link up White Shadow Films. It's very reasonable and a real youth. Me I tell you the real truth. Big up White Shadow. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, we'll go into the dancehall mag first. See? Spice returns to Instagram after medical issues. Remember, I'm going off of what's out there. Spice returns to Instagram after medical issues. Them a wish for me fall out. That sounds like a song. The queen of dancehall Spice popped up on Instagram on Sunday night after a week of reports about serious complications that she experienced following cosmetic surgery in the Dominican Republic. The Summer Like It DJ shared 2 story posts. A promo for Vybz Kartel new song, Worlds Apart, which features Spice and Pacha Ranking, see? And lyrics from Same Mouth, a single from her sophomore album. See? She posts 2 songs Sunday, snippets. See? Same Mouth and Worlds Apart. Now Same Mouth, that sound like the rumors where they must say Spice, sick Spice, in a coma, Spice, this and Spice, that. Ladies took it and go start prayer. Zin, world turned down upon Lady Sir. That's why I say she should leave dancehall alone. Because she fall for the trick. It seems she was intentional with the section of the song that she replied, perhaps to send a subliminal message to the few naysayers who have spoken on the matter over the last few days. The same mouth that you fed at your table will do you what Cain do to Abel. The same mouth where say you fi disable. Sometimes we wish them mouth did have a label. Them I wish from me fall out, I keep going all out. Were the lyrics. So that are the lyrics in the song, same mouth. Zine, that sound like a stunt. And the stunt the way them pull, me have to say be careful of what you do. Because sometimes action becomes your reaction. Zine, sometimes you cry wolf when I serious thing people now gonna believe. Zine, 40-year-old entertainer whose real name is Grace Hamilton also left 2 comments under a post made by opposition MP leader Lisa Anna and by one of her super fans at Kem, the member of parliament for South and Eastern Shade, an endearing moment with her only child Alex Panton, which prompted Spice, who has been a long-time friend of the politician, to reply, no, enough said. Peace more, my song.
Oh, no, me not carrying a new bus. I ain't a star no blue bus. Me I use Milton lens when me get from Jah. Me nah go pan no stage and bleach me face. Nah disrespect me human race. Me nah do what some artists a do. Them a look out the business fi try run the place.
Yeah, man, I trying to stand for bus around here, man. You see me? I don't know line for to keep it with man the back of field, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. I don't know. We don't care who no argue with the supporter, who no believer, who a fight against. You see me? Because a whole lot of fighters out there, you know. But yeah, Spice, you have to stop it. If it's really a stunt, Spice, you have to stop it. And it seems like it's a stunt. Because we all know all of the stunt of Spice. Spice are the queen for stunt. Also the queen of dancer. Zine. Yes, man, the energy I run, you know. Right off staff, you know, cut and clear. Hab there. Yeah, man. No weapon that form against I shall prosper. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So, ladies, now we put pieces together. The same mouth. Zine, why we should make disable? Yeah. Now you see why them got on ladies page and I tell her to spray for Spice. That's why I made the title my vlog said, did Spice order make her fans reach out to ladies for trouble her, for spread the rumors, because the only way it could have go viral away there, ladies Marian all. Maybe if it was anybody normally them would have, it's all planned, I think. And them got trouble the woman, the Christian lady, Mama Marian all. We can't stop calling her lady See? So now we see everything look planned or staged. I'm still as I hope Spice is not sick for true, you know. Because I have a vision last night, them say she's sick in real life. And I wish all the best for Grace Hamilton and her success and happiness and long life, health and strength. But I had a vision last night that she's sick. I'm not telling a lie. See? Yeah. So, by them going to ladies and say, Mama, pray for Spice. I think it was planned. Zine, I think it was planned. Forgive me if I'm wrong. See me? Yeah. So now, me see this in a dancer mag right now. Spice returns to Instagram after medical issues. Did she have medical issues for true or what? Me don't know. Zine? Me don't know. After a surgery complication. Zine? Me don't know. Surgery is a thing. Once you start do it, you have to continue. Because if you don't continue, you're going to go back to your old ill-shaped body. Or how you did stay or birth. You get me I say? Me not believe in it still. But big up everybody who each to their own. You see me I say? Each to their own. Yeah. Yeah. You see me I say my viewers and subscribers. Each to their own. All who want those nose, body, breast, anything. Big, do the thing. Phone money. But me not believe in it. Then, big up all of the natural queen them. Yeah man, and the natural king them. Because you have man that do them nose to you know, and them and chin and all of them sitting there to you know. Yeah. Then so Viewers and subscribers, I just that more want to say. Let me know the thing. Saying be careful of what you wish for. And be careful of what you wish for. See? Yeah, and I don't know. More life and strength. See? Sometimes you cry wolf. When a real thing, when wolf come, nobody not gonna believe you. And if you have to pull stunt to gain attraction for your song then sell as a big artist, that means that you don't believe in your song, you don't believe in it. You know what I mean? You're supposed to have your loyal fans. You just release your song and say, have a song out, you know, and your fans them go and support. You know, if you pull stunt for your draw attraction and awareness, that is just my view. You see me? I'm not draw no stunt for boss. I'm no cunt, no front for boss. You get me and some viewers and subscribers. That's the end of this vlog. Don't forget to like and share the comment and subscribe. But what you wanna? Make one you wanna my tune I'm gonna drop, you know. Dumb and Dumber. See the rhythm name Dumb and Dumber, but my song name Dumb and Stupid. Alright? Gonna have a sneak preview. You know, long me your mother want you to leave for them company alone. You change your name to Hatchet and Killy. Yeah, but look, you never hear me tell you the truth, you know. Nah, I'm gonna much height, you know.
Why you say that?
Why me say that? You're not bad than wicked. You're dumb and stupid, boy. See, they know you're incarcerated. You're not bad than wicked. You're dumb and stupid. And the lie, you should have dead, but because they're still living. You're not bad than wicked. You're dumb and stupid, boy. See, they know you're incarcerated. You're bad than wicked, you're dumb and stupid. What me say? You better pray and ask God to forgive. Yeah, man, we're not going no more saying, because I don't know. Yeah, Dumb and Dumber. The rhythm name Dumb and Dumber. Zane, my rhythm. Big up my producer, my engineer, Kendall Simpson. Mix and master it. Yeah, me make the rhythm, me and my son make the rhythm. Zane. I'm going to touch on next topic where a man said to me where they say, invest in yourself. Zane. And him send me a video with Dame and Dash talk reason about Jay-Z. I never know him founded Jay-Z and Kanye West. But we're going to do our next topic on that. Zane, self-reliance. Some people hate you because them say you're self-reliant, self-balance, and you can do your thing. Zane, I want to touch on next topic on that. But I read me, if you don't want a piece of that, read me, link me up. Dumb and stupid that. Big up Baby Wayne, you know, yeah. Big up Baby Wayne. I'm going to need a piece of the radio, you know. Hey, big up Baby Wayne. You're not bad and wicked, you're dumb and stupid, boy. See, they know you've been incarcerated. You're not bad and wicked, you know, you're dumb and stupid. You should have dead, but me God, you're still a living. A 3 verse, you know, 3 verse. See, they know you've been incarcerated. You're not bad and wicked. You're going to the last verse. And the vlog of the ends in. Dog, you see we reach cartel. Me feel it for him, me now, which I saw rebel, dog. You see we reach Rambo. Him want the police friend, and me mango, dog. You see we reach Top Down. And me lead, bad in German, dog. You see say badness no peer. Can't believe you make the devil lead. You was straight. Big up on yourself, yeah? I am put. I don't know if you want me review a song for you, know. Link up. You see me link up. You see we top of our own will in our own time. If you don't want to sponsor the channel, I don't know the PayPal in the description. See? It's up to you still, but link, reach out, yeah man. Alright? Go shites. You never know the residents, them I watch him. On speed never stop till them catch him. Now get them work, I will now get them work. Look out for the single when it drop.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.